Moving ahead with the next continued unit of the verb part 4. If you haven't seen the first 3 parts, then click on the link in the description box below. Even though it's small but an extremely vital group of verbs which do not express any activity at all. Shockingly, yet it's a part of action verb. Arguably, the most important verb in this group is the verb to be. Perhaps it's very unique in the English language. Without wasting much time, let's quickly take a look how to use to be. The word be has no such action in its own, but it's a kind of helping verb. In short, to summarize, we say that it's normally used to describe someone or something. Perplexed? How? What? Whom? All these questions are erupting in your brains, right? Come on, relax. Take a deep breath. I'll make it easier for you. Well, be stands for is, am, are, was, were, and will, which is basically used for describing someone's profession, position, nature, looks, and mood. Let's take some illustrations. Firstly, they are policemen. Okay. Next, Sir Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle called as the Rohini satellite in Earth's orbit. Alright. Next, Mother Teresa was truly a compassionate mother of all the needy and poor. Oh, the baby is so cute. They are friends and they are delighted to meet each other. Okay. Moreover, we can similarly describe the animals, birds, different colors, talk about time, climate, changes in weather conditions, about the location, interiors of a place, how beautiful the garden looks, fragrance of flowers, and also we can talk about future plans. There are many more. Okay? Perfect. It was so simple. That's all about state of being. I'm sure this concept is crystal clear by now. Stay tuned. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Urva, bye, take care.